A day at Holy Heart Presidency School is a journey of discovery, growth, and inspiration. Every morning begins with a purpose as our students gather for the morning assembly, a moment that instills discipline, unity, and moral reflection. At Holy Heart Presidency, academic excellence stands at the core of our mission. Our classrooms are equipped with smart boards, projectors, and curriculum integrated visuals that transform learning into an engaging and interactive experience.
Learning here makes every concept come alive.
Aligned with New Education Policy 2020, coding has been seamlessly woven into our curriculum. Students are introduced to computational thinking and problem solving using age-appropriate methodology. In our state-of-the-art computer labs, they receive hands-on training in various languages like Java and Python, preparing them for an ever-evolving digital world.
We don't just learn computers, we build ideas.
Our modern science laboratories offer an environment for exploration and discovery where students conduct experiments that bring scientific concepts to life. Our library stands as the intellectual heart of the campus with an extensive collection of books, journals, and digital resources which help students cultivate a lifelong habit of learning and reflection. Through the investiture ceremony, we empower our student council to discover their potential, embrace responsibility, and lead with heart, nurturing the leaders of tomorrow. To bridge academic learning with real-world professional skills, Holy Heart Presidency has introduced tele-classes in collaboration with Webers for the students of classes 11th and 12th. Physical growth and discipline are integral to our educational philosophy. Our students actively participate in a wide range of sports including archery, shooting, gymnastics, yoga, skating, snooker, table tennis, gym, football, volleyball, karate, badminton, squash, and basketball. Our upgraded sports complex features indoor wooden badminton hall, box cricket, futsal, pickleball courts, and a national-sized swimming pool, strengthening our vision of excellence in sports and physical education. Through EduSports by Sports Village, a structured and inclusive physical education program has been introduced, promoting fitness, teamwork, and leadership while aligning with NEP 2020 and NCF 2023 standards. Creativity finds expression at Kala Bhavan, our dedicated performing arts studio. Here, students explore music, dance, drama, and fine arts, building confidence, imagination, and a spirit of self-expression. Our state-of-the-art auditorium stands as a symbol of achievement and celebration. Equipped with advanced JBL sound systems and Martin lighting and seating over 1,000 people, it hosts academic functions, cultural performances, and community events that bring the entire school together. At Holy Heart Presidency, regular education fairs are organized for classes 11th and 12th. These fairs, along with structured career counseling sessions, guide students in identifying their strengths and making informed decisions about their future. Student safety remains our top priority. The entire campus is under 24/7 CCTV surveillance, ensuring constant monitoring and peace of mind for our parents. Holy Heart has always believed that excellence deserves recognition. Our annual awards celebrate not only academic achievement but also integrity, leadership, and consistent effort. At our school, excellence is not an achievement, it's our everyday commitment. The school has been awarded by North India School Merit Awards for being ranked number 1 in Amritsar and number 1 in Punjab as the Parents' Choice School for exceptional academic reputation and contribution to education. The school has been awarded by Ram Iqbal Excellence Awards for exceptional contribution to education and visionary academic growth. The school has been recognized by India Education Summit Awards for world-class infrastructure that supports modern learning. The school has received the prestigious jury recognition by Education Today. The school leadership has been acknowledged for excellence in coding and digital education by the Go Coders Visionary Leader Award by World Book of Records, London. The school leadership has been celebrated by Indian Talent Olympiad for inspiring excellence and achieving outstanding academic results. A new academic block for classes 1st to 3rd is currently under construction. It has been envisioned as a modern, child-centered learning space equipped with all essential amenities for holistic development of our children. At Holy Heart Residency School, learning is purposeful, growth is continuous, and every achievement reflects dedication and pride. Here, excellence meets opportunity, and every child's journey truly matters.
We are Brazilians and our journey has just begun.